At Neilson Massey Vanillas, security isn't just about cameras. It's about controlling access, protecting high-value inventory, and monitoring the environment that impacts production. Umbrella Security deployed an integrated solution across multiple locations. For this operation, environmental changes can translate into real financial risk.
My name's Duke Seaton. I am the Senior Logistics Manager here at Neilson Massey Vanillas. We make the best vanilla extract in the world.
Wonderful. What security challenges were you facing before working with us?
A lot of our systems were outdated, and honestly, any kind of upkeep was starting to get expensive, any kind of labor, stuff like that. So we're just looking for a new system, something a little bit more easier for use. And then if something did go wrong, we'd have a much quicker kind of a solution for that. And I feel like Umbrella Security is something that's really provided that for us.
Why did you choose our company over some of the other security providers you met with?
I'll be honest, I like that you guys were local. I like that you guys are a little bit smaller, so I'm not getting engulfed by one of the bigger guys and just getting pushed to the side. I love the one-on-one interactions, especially with Zach, even doing through the installation and everything. I learned a lot through the installation, so it's just a much more hands-on approach. I feel like I've been taken care of, and I don't feel like I got that even from my last security company that we replaced you guys with.
What solutions did we provide for your business? What security systems?
You guys provided access control, the video monitoring, the security and alarm. You also provided us humidity sensors over at Burwood. We are in the vanilla extract business, so we track humidity in the building, and that was something that we had never done before, so you guys provided us with that. So that was a new kind of thing that we had delved into that I had never done before.
And what kind of data, because this is turning into more than like a security system for you. This is turning into something that you're able to plan around and process around and have risk mitigation with. How is the humidity sensor specifically, how are you going to incorporate that into your business?
It's really to help monitor our extraction beans. So it kind of alerts us if our humidity drops or rises, like we need to do something with the beans. We need to either move them or move them to a different facility or something. It's a very costly commodity for us, so it's something that we're really looking to try to protect. And offering that humidity sensor does give us that protection.
How was your experience with the installation and service team?
I thought they did a really good job. We were not only dealing with one building, but 2 different buildings and 4 different services. Like I said, we're dealing with the access, video monitoring, the alarm, and the humidity control. So the fact that we did all 4 of those within the 2 buildings, I was impressed with the installation.
How has your security improved since working with us? Is it possible you can share an example?
One thing is kind of really nice now is like I can actually provide like an on-the-spot log sheet of who is in the building, who is here, and who is not here. My biggest concern, if I have a fire, we have an alcohol on site, if there's any kind of issue and we need to evacuate the building, I need to know who's here and who's not. And that's one thing I didn't have before, so that's really given me that bot. Everything's mobile. The Brevo app is on my phone. The humidity app is on my phone. The access control is on my phone. Everything is on my phone. Makes things so much more ease of use.
Have you received a measurable result or benefit since the system has been installed?
Peace of mind, honestly, peace of mind. I also, like I said, we were using a very outdated service. Some of the things that I might not have seen before, I feel like I'm seeing now. Like if we have a problem with, if there's excessive snow or rain or anything like that, the sensors within the building are kind of picking up that thing, and we've had to tweak a little bit of that so we're not getting alert of everything, but it's nice not knowing what I didn't know before.
Would you recommend our services to other businesses, and why would you do that?
Absolutely. The offer you guys are a one-stop shop for everything. You guys have said no to nothing. It's really nice that you guys are willing to accommodate where everything. I love the hands-on approach. I love that the guy that did my installation is also my count guy. I love that. I love the personality. The personality between working with Umbrella and my business.
Wonderful.